color and cut, that's what you see on her hand. No girl ever grabbed another girl's hand and said, "Oh my God, what's the clarity?" So, this is what we're going to focus on. This is what most jewelers are not going to teach you about. These 3 diamonds all weigh the same. Why are they cut differently? Because diamonds are sold by weight first. We'll get there. The idea of cutting a diamond is to make the light react the same way a perfect shot in a game of pool does. Light does not come in the sides of a diamond. It's all about the inside of the diamond. The bottom part, called the pavilion, acts like an internal mirror, so light bounces around inside. Here are the rules. You've heard the term ideal cut. Ideal cut, there really isn't one basic rule. A lot of it comes down to what you deem to be the most beautiful. But knowing what the guidelines are will also help you discern when making a decision. The table, that's the big facet on the top. That allows the soul of the diamond to shine through, and that should be between 56 and 60% of the total diameter of the stone. The depth of the diamond should also be somewhere around 60% of the total diameter. Let's say 59 to 62.5 would be an ideal happy spot. And the crown angle, this top portion, should be about 34 degrees. And this angle, called the pavilion angle, should be about 42 degrees. If you cut a diamond somewhere within those parameters, what happens with light inside of a stone is the light goes here, bounces here, returns to your eye. You just made your shot. It's then broken up into a balance of bright through the table and sparkly from all the facets along the sides. If your table's too big, you've got a headlamp. It sure is bright, but there's not enough surface area to sparkle. If the table's too small, the diamond sparkles like crazy, but it looks dark. So these 2 diamonds weigh the same. Why is this one cut this way? It's cut deep to make it weigh more, because again, diamonds are sold by weight first. So the 2 problems with the stone are, number 1, even though they weigh the same, the diameter is wrong, and the stone looks smaller than it should for its weight. The other problem is it's too deep. So what's happening with the light? Oh, it leaks out and you just missed your shot. This diamond I like to call the Manhattan stones. The girls need a big diamond. The guy doesn't have that kind of a budget, so they're basically buying a slice. Looks huge on your hand, absolutely lifeless on the finger. Here's your pop quiz, guys. If these 2 diamonds weigh the same, they both weigh 1 carat. This diamond is a G, and this diamond is an E. Which diamond is more expensive? I'll give you a second here. Okay, nope. This diamond is more expensive. The E is more expensive because it's in the colorless range. If I said to you which diamond is prettier, oh, the G is. So what I really tell all my fellas when they come in, you're not buying a piece of paper. You're not buying a certificate. We'll get into that discussion later. You're buying a diamond like a girl buys a car. We like the blue one. We don't really care what's under the hood. So when you look at the stones, deem your decision based on which diamond is the prettiest, which one sparkles. We call them 2 tablers here. The goal is when you guys are out to dinner, somebody gets up from 2 tables away and grabs her hand and said, "I couldn't stop staring at your engagement ring." That's our goal, and that's why we just taught you about cut and color.